One of the things that we're very interested in the Sipuleucel T story is the fact that many of the patients on the Sipuleucel T control arm actually received a frozen product when their disease progressed. So, you know, from my viewpoint, actually the benefit of Sipuleucel T has actually been understated, because many of the patients who received the frozen product were on the control arm actually enjoyed a longer survival, decreasing the difference between the control arm and the treatment arm. And in fact, if you look at our analysis of the frozen patients who received the frozen product on the control arm and those that did not receive it, there was a significant survival advantage to those patients who did receive the frozen product. So actually it made the difference between the control arm and the actual treatment arm much closer. And if you actually take those patients out who did not receive the frozen product on the control arm, that survival difference actually approaches 10 to 11 months.